Here's a number that might shock you. The average American now owes over $23,000 on their car loan, and nearly 1 in 5 have payments over $1,000 a month. That's not just a car, that's a luxury prison on wheels. And every month you stay in that debt, you're paying the bank instead of paying yourself. Welcome back to Simply Money. Car debt is one of the biggest killers of financial freedom. It drains your cash flow, locks you into monthly payments, and delays real wealth building. Today I'm showing you exactly how to break free from your car debt nightmare and how redirecting that money into income-producing investments like SCHD and SCHG can completely change your financial future. Here's the trap. You buy a car thinking the payment is manageable. But when you factor in interest, insurance, and maintenance, that $35,000 car might cost you over $50,000 in real terms. And with interest rates hovering around 6 to 10% for many buyers, your money is literally evaporating every month. The stress builds, you start planning your life around that car payment, and instead of building wealth, you're just working to pay off depreciating asset. But here's the good news. You have options. Refinance at a lower rate if your credit has improved. Make extra payments toward principal to cut months or even years off your loan. Perhaps you get a side hustle and focus all the extra money simply on paying down that debt. Sell the car. I know this is hard for a lot of people. And downgrade to something you own outright. Or restructure your budget to throw every extra dollar at the loan until it's gone. And the most powerful strategy? Don't just pay it off. Redirect those freed up payments into investments that work for you. When I paid off my car loan, I didn't just celebrate. I reassigned that payment. Instead of $500 going to the bank every month, it now goes into my income portfolio anchored by SCHD. For consistent dividends, and SCHG for long-term growth. Over time, this creates balance. SCHD pays me quarterly income I can reinvest or use. I'm reinvesting mine, and I'll use it when I plan on retiring, while SCHG grows my capital and future earning potential. Here's a little projection for you. If you freed up a $500 a month car payment and split it evenly, $250 into SCHD, $250 into SCHG over 10 years at historical averages, SCHD could grow to $46,000 while generating $1,900 a year in dividends. And SCHG could grow to $54,000, compounding without taxable dividends until you sell. That's $100K in assets from a debt payment you used to dread. Now, this isn't financial advice. I'm not telling you to go buy SCHD or SCHG. I'm using those as examples. This is for information and educational purposes. But it's just an example of the power of what your car payment could be doing for you. See, car debt doesn't have to be your story forever. Pay it off. Redirect the cash flow, and watch your money start working for you instead of the other way around. What's your car payment right now? Drop it in the comments. And then imagine it as an investment. I've linked my video right here on dividend investing with SCHD. Click it and you can see how that's worked and how over time that has grown and how it could grow for you or a similar fund. And let's start building your freedom fund today. If you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you'd hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel, helps us get more videos out to other people to encourage them to make financial decisions that'll help them reach their financial independence. And I'll see you next time on Simply Money.